Generation Technologies' flagship product, NIMXchange, makes it fast and easy for producers to find, share, and use high-resolution video content. But they had a problem. They needed a cost-effective way to upgrade their on-location NIMXchange servers. Using the latest Windows Server would have required the installation of new memory cards and servers at all 250 locations. This was an expensive logistical nightmare that could disrupt business operations. They needed a cost-effective, easily deployed solution that was guaranteed secure. They chose bSquare, the embedded systems experts. bSquare recommended Windows Embedded Standard 7. Windows Embedded Standard is memory efficient, compatible with enterprise systems, has a minimal footprint, and lower licensing costs. The componentized Windows Embedded Standard 7 was customizable for the solution. bSquare had the knowledge to adapt the operating system image and designed a package specifically for Generation Technologies hardware. The customized operating system was delivered by satellite to all 250 locations. bSquare used their proprietary OS deployment tool to update the servers for a completely hands-off upgrade, including the operating system, SQL Server, and applications. When the servers rebooted, they were running completely new software. The end customer didn't have to do a thing. There was no downtime and no additional training required. bSquare also replaced the processor-intensive antivirus software with McAfee Embedded Control. This increased performance while providing rock-solid protection against malware. bSquare is a Windows Embedded authorized distributor. We know Windows Embedded operating systems and products inside and out. Our collaboration with Microsoft Embedded Experience dates back to the initial creation of Windows CE in 1994. We pride ourselves in finding the right solution for the right partner. The combination of an embedded operating system, a security solution, and a hands-off deployment mechanism was the perfect fit for Generation Technologies. To find out what we can do for you, visit www.bsquare.com.